Hello students, welcome to my maths class once again. So today I shall start a new chapter number 6. The name of the chapter is HCF and LCM. So the question comes, what is HCF? So what is HCF? HCF means highest common factor. Highest common factor. H for highest. Highest C for common, F for factors. Highest common factor. Okay. So what is highest common factor? Suppose let me take an example. 18. So if I factorize 18, then I shall get what? 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now if I write 24, so if I factorize this, then 2 into 2, okay, into 2 into 3. Okay. Now from that common, you have to take the common. That means what? The factors which are present in both 18 and 24. The factors which are present in both 18 and 24. So you see 2 is present. Okay. Here these 3 and these 3 are present. Okay. But these 2 doesn't have any more 2 in 18. These 2 also doesn't have any more 2 in 18. This 3 doesn't have any more 3 in 24. So these 2 are common. So I got what? The common are what? Common factors. Common factors are what? 2, 3. 2, what? 2, 3. Now from this 2, 3, okay, so what? Now from this common factor, if you multiply it, then I shall get again what? 2 3s are what? 6, and in every one is there. That means what? If you multiply 1, then also what? If you divide by 1, then also we can get what? 19. Highest common factor, that means what? You have to find a table where we can find what? Both 18 and 24. Both 18 and 24. So you see, these are the what? These are the what? Common factors. 2, 3 and 6. These are the common factors. Okay. And from this you need to select that highest one. Which one is highest? 2, 3, 6. From this 6 is highest. So 6 is the highest common factor. So here therefore HCF equals to what? 6. Because we need to select what? Highest common factor. So 2, 3, 6 we got the common factors. From this which one is highest? 6 is highest. So 6 is the what? Highest common factor. Understood? Okay. Now let's begin with the exercise. So you see exercise 6a. So see question number 1a, 3 and 6. Find the HCF of the numbers without the help of multiplication tables by what? Inspection. That is what? By inspection what? You need to find the HCF of the following. So you need to what? Without the help of multiplication table. So how to find without the help of multiplication table the HCF of these two numbers? So 3 and 6. So you see, this 3 and 6, this 3 and 6 we can find only in the multiplication table of 1 and 3. Okay, this 3, first what? Question number 1, Roman 1, you see. Yes, question number 1, Roman A. So 3 and 6. So now you need to find a table. What? Or you need to find that in which table both 3 and 6 are present. So what? In what? In table 1 we shall get both 3 and 6. And what? Both 3 and 6 where I can get? In table 3. Yes, in table 3 I can get both 3 and both 6. Okay, 3 and 6 both I shall get. So what? These are the two. Okay, from these two, which one is greater? Obviously 3 is greater. So what? 3 is the what? HCF of that 3 and 6. So right. We find both. Right. Answer. We find both 3 and 6. We find both 3 and 6. 3 and 6 together in the multiplication table, multiplication tables of 1 and multiplication tables of what? 1 and 3. That means what? We find both 3 and 6 together in the multiplication table of what? 1 and 3. Okay? That means what? 1 into 1 equals to what? 1. 1 into 2 equals to what? 2. 1 into 3 equals to what? 3. And 1 into 4 equals to what? 4. 1 into 5 equals to what? 5. 1 into 6 equals to what? 6. That means what? Both 3 and 6 we got in what? Multiplication table of what? Multiplication table of what? 1. That is what? 1. And both 3 and 6 as a multiples I shall get in what? In the multiplication table of 3. How you see? 3 into 1 it is what? 3. 3 into 2 it is what? 6. That means what? In multiplication table of what? 3 and 1 I got what? 3 and 6. Understood? So for that reason what? We find both 3 and 6 together in the multiplication tables of 1 and in the multiplication table of what? Table of 1 and 3. Okay, right. Among these 3 is the among these what? Among these 3 is the what? Greatest number. 3 is the what? Greatest number. Therefore, HCF of 3 and 6 equals to what? 3. Okay? HCF of 3 and 6 equals to what? 3. HCF of what? 3 and 6 equals to what? 3. Now come to question number C. Okay? So like this you need to write. Okay? So you see 18 and what? 18 and 27. So you find a multiplication table where 18 and 27 both we can get together. So they are what? They are what? In the table of 1 obviously we shall get in the table of 1. And what? In table 2 I shall get 18, but I will not get 27. So 2 finished. So in 3 I can get 3 6 jar and 3 7 jar. And what? And in the table of what? And in the table of 9. 9 2 jar, okay, and 9 3 jar. In the table of 9, okay. So among these, which one is greatest? 9 is greatest. So what? 9 is the what? HCF. So right. Right. We find, what to say, as like earlier, we find 18 and 27 together in the multiplication tables of 1 3 9, okay. Right. Among these, 9 is the greatest number. Therefore, HCF of 18 and 27 equals to what? 9. Okay. 18 and 27 is what? 9. Okay. Now come to question number 2. 33 and 44. Question number 2. Question number 2. 33 and what? 44. So obviously what? 33 and 44, these we shall get only in what? In 11. Okay. 1 and what? 11. Okay. 1 33 are 33 and what? 1 44 are 44, and in 11 3 are 33. Okay. 11 3 are 33 and what? 11 4s are what? 44. So in both cases what? In the table of 1 and 11 we get. But from 1 and 11, which one is greater? Obviously 11 is greater. So what? 11 is the HCF. So you write fully. I am just replacing the number. Okay. You write fully. 33. Here what? 44. Okay. The multiplication table of 1, 11. Okay. Among these, what? 11 is the greatest number. So HCF of what? 33 and 44 what? Equals to what? 11. Okay. The same thing you have to write just by replacing the number. Okay. Now come to 2C. 15 and 25. 15 and 25. So what? 2C. 2C what? 15 and 25. 15 and what? 25. Okay. So check. So in the table of 1 we shall get all. So 1 is common for every numbers. Okay. 1. Now what? 15 with 2. 15 and what? 25 not possible in the table of 2. In the table of 3, 15 possible but 25 not possible. So with 4 also not possible. With 5, yes. With 5 I can get 15 also, 25 also. 5 3 are 15, 5 5 are 25. So what? I can write what? 5. Okay. So among this 1 and 5, which one is what? Greater? Obviously 5 is greater. So what? HCF will be what? 5. So just replace the numbers. Okay. Replace the number. Okay. So what? It will be what? We find what? 15 and 25. Okay. Then here among these, what of multiplication tables of 1, 5. Okay. So among what 5 is the greatest number. So HCF of what 15 and 25 is what 5. Okay. Now come to question number 3. So B, D, 2 I am leaving for practice. Okay. So 4 is there. So among 4, 2 I am leaving for practice and 2 I have done. Okay. So only 2 questions you need to solve. Okay. So what 11 and the process are same, like this you practice. 11 and 16. So question number 3, 11 and 16. Question number 3. What 11 and 16? Number 3A. 11 and what 16. 11 and 16. So let me erase this one first. Okay. 11 and what 11 and 16. So from 11 and 16 you see only what in the table of 1 we shall get. Why? Because in the table of 2, 11 and 16 if I write 11 and what 11 and 16. So in the table of 1 both we shall get, it is common. By 2 I shall not get 11. By 3 I shall not get what 11. By 4 I shall not get 11. By 5 I shall not get 11. That means that only with 11 I shall get. But with 11 I cannot get what 16. So what only 1 is the common. Okay. So right, we find 11 and 16 together in the table of 1. So 1. Therefore, so you directly write what? So if you find only 1, so no need of writing this sentence. Directly you write what? Therefore, this line you just erase. Therefore, HCF of 11 and 16 equals to what? 1. You erase this sentence. Okay. Now come to 3C, 15 and 28. Same thing. 15 and 28. Okay. 3C. Okay. 3C. 15 and 28. 15 and 28. So you see 15 and 28. So in place of 15 and 28 what? 15 I can get in 3, but I shall not get in what? I shall not get 28 in 3. 15 I can get in what? 5, but I shall not get 28. 15 I can get in 15, the table of 15, but I shall not get 28. So only what? I shall get 15 and 28 in the table of only 1. So what? We find what? 15 and 28 together in the table of 1. Therefore, HCF of 15 and 28 equals to what? 1. Understood? Equals to what? 1. Now come to question number 4. Find the HCF of the numbers by finding factors. That is what? By finding factors. Now what? We need to find the what? Numbers. So write what? 6 and 9. Okay. Question number 4. Now what? By finding factors. So by finding factors, that means what? By prime factorization method we shall find. Okay. You see, so what? 4A 6, 9. So find the factors of 6 by prime factorization. So 2 3s are 6, 3, 1. Okay. For 9 what I shall get? With 2 it is not possible. We shall go for 3. 3 3s are 9. Again 3 1s are. So I can write what? 6 equals to 2 into 3 into 1. And what? 9 equals to 3 into 3 into what? 1. Okay. Now what? 3 into 3 into 1. So what? So what? Grouping the factors what? So if you what? Group the factors, then what we get? You see? So write 6 equals to 2 into 3 into 1 and 9 equals to what? 3 into 3 into what? 1. So among these what? Only these 3 we are getting what? As a common. Okay. Right, therefore HCF equals to what? HCF of 6, 9 equals to what? 3, because only what? 3 is common. Okay. Now come to question number B. 10 and 15. 10 and 15. What? 10 and 15. Ten and 15. 10 and 15. So find 10. 2 5 jar, 5 1 jar. Okay. 15. 3 5 jar, 5 1 jar. Okay. Right. 10 equals to 2 into 5 into 1. 15 equals to 3 into 5 into what? 1. Okay. Then what? We are getting what? Only what? We are getting what? Only 5. Okay. Therefore HCF of 10 and 15 equals to what? 5. Okay. 10 and 15 equals to what? 5. Now what? Now come to question number D. 30 and 45. What? 30 and 45. D. 30 and 45. Write 30. 2 15 jar, 3 5 jar, 5 1 jar. Okay. Then 45 if I write, then 3 1 jar 3, 3 1 jar 3 remain 1, 15, 3 5 jar 15. Okay. Then 3 5 jar. Okay. Then 5 1 jar. Okay. Now what? Now you see 30 equals to what? 2 into 3 into 5 into 1. And here 45 what? 3 into 3 into 5 into what? 1. Okay. So here what? Here I can write grouping the what? Factors. Right, grouping the factors. Grouping the factors. Okay, grouping the factors, that is what? 2 into 3 it is what? 2 into 3 it is what? 6. Okay. So here you see 2 into 3 5 jar 15. Okay. So what? One thing you do here, grouping the factors, that means what? You don't write this one. First you write that one. Right. From this what you can get? Here 2 common. Sorry, here 2 is there. Okay. So write like this: 30 equals to 2 into 3 into 5 into 1, and 45 equals to what? 3 into 3 into 5 into 1. Okay. Now what? You see, from this 3 is common. Okay. From this what? 5 is common. Okay. Okay. Now write grouping the factors. Grouping the factors. Factors what we got? 3 into 5. Whatever the common we got, we need to write. 3 into 5 equals to what? 15. Now this is also what? Another factor. Okay. By grouping the factors, again you got what? Another factor. That is what? By grouping the common factors, we got what? Another common factors. Okay. So write. Now you write what? The grouping the factors 3 into 5 equals to 15. Now write, therefore the factors of the common factors, you write the common factors of the common factors of 30 and 45 equals to what? 3, 5, 15. 3, 5, 15. From this what we got? What? 3. Okay. From this what we got? 5. And by grouping the common factors, what? We got what? 15. So the common factors of 30 and 45 are what? 3, 5, 15. Right. Among these 15 is the highest number. Right. Among these 15 is the highest number. Therefore HCF equals to what? 15. Okay. Therefore what? HCF equals to what? 15. Now write question number. Now come to question number 5. Okay. 5a, 30 and 75. $30 and 75. 30 and 75. Okay. So find 30 and 75. 2 15 jar 30, 3 5 jar, 5 1 jar, 75. 3 25 jar, 3 2 jar 6 and 1 15, 3 5 jar 15. Now with 5 jar, 5 1 jar. Okay. So write, therefore 30 equals to 2 into 3 into 5 into 1. Okay. And 75 equals to what? 3 into 5 into 5 into what? 1. So from there you take the common one. This 3 okay, and this 5, okay, and 1. 1 is there, 1 is everywhere, okay, 1 is there everywhere. So what you can write now, now what we got? We got what? Now we are grouping the factors now. Grouping the factors. Grouping the factors, what we got? Grouping the factors, that means what? We got 3, we got 5, we got what? 1. Okay, so 3 5 are what? 15. Okay, so that means what? 15 is also another factors. Okay, right. Therefore, the common factors are 3, 5, 15. 3, 5, 15, and you write 1 also. 1, 3, 5, 15. So among these, what? Among these, which one is greater? 15. So write among these 15 is greater. Therefore, HCF equals to what? 15. Therefore, what? HCF equals to what? 15. Now come to question number B. Okay. Question number B, you see what? 64 and 80. 64 and 80. Okay, 64 5B. 64 and 80. So write 64. 2 3 jar 2 2 jar. With 2 2 1 jar 2 2 6 jar 12. With 2 8 jar. With 2 4 jar. With 2 2 jar. With 2 1 jar. Okay. Here what? 80. With 2 40s are, with 2 how? 2 4s are 8 and 0. Okay. Then 2 2s are 4, then 0. Then 2 1s are 2, then 0. Then 2 5s are, then 5 1s are. Okay. Now write. Now write 64 equals to what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 into what? 1. And 80 equals to what? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 into 5 into 1. Okay. So you see from there, this one is common, that one is common, this one is common, this one is common. Okay. And these are, and 1 is common. Okay. So right. Now grouping. Now grouping the factors. Grouping the factors, what will get? 2. One thing you write, the factors are, now you write the factors are, therefore the factors are what? 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 1. Okay, 4 2's and 1. Now write grouping these factors. Grouping these factors. Grouping these factors, that means what? Just multiply 2 into 2 into what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. That means what? That means what? 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are what? 16. What? 4 4s are what? 16 we got. Okay, so among these, now write. Therefore the common factors are, therefore the common factors are what? The common factors are what? 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 16. So write 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 16. By grouping what? We got another factor 16. If only one factor come common, then you write directly. If more than one comes, then group it and write like me. Okay, so what? Among these 16 is the what? Greatest number. So write among these 16 is the greatest number. Therefore HCF equals to what? 16. Therefore what? HCF equals to what? 16. So that is the answer. Okay, therefore what? HCF equals to what? 16. Now come to question number 6a. This two you do same method. Okay, this. Okay, number 6. From question number 5 to 8, all the questions are same. Okay, so question number 6 you do the same method. Okay, there is no change. So 45 and 105. Question number 6a. Okay, so you see what? 45 and 105. 6a. 45 and 105. Okay, so 45, as like earlier you find 3 with 2 it is not possible. Okay, with 2 what? We cannot divide. If you cannot divide with 2, then we will go for 3. If you cannot divide with 3, we will go for 4. If you cannot divide with 4, then we will go for 5. Like this, by checking we should go. So with 3 what? We can divide. 3 1s are 3 here what? 4. So 1 remain. This one you take nearby, that one. Then it will become what? 15. Then 3 5s are 15. Understood? Now what? 3 5s are again 15. Then what? 5 1s are. Okay, now finished. Now what? 105. 105. Let us practice with 3. Yes. 3 what? 3 3s are what? 3 3s are what? 9. 3 3s are what? 9. Remain what? 1. So you take it here. Then it will become what? 15. Then 3 5s are 15. Okay. 35 3s are 1. Now you can multiply and check. 35 and 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9 and 1 10. Understood? Okay. Now what? 35. With 3 it is not possible. Okay. With 4 also not possible. With 5, yes. 5 7s are. Okay. Now 7 only with 7. Okay. Now you what? Now write. Now write. Therefore 45 equals to what? 3 into 3 into 5 into 1. And 105 equals to what? 3 into 5 into 7 into what? 1. So which one is common here? 3 and this 5. This 5. Okay. And this doesn't have any pair. So 3 3 we can make one pair, and 5 5 we can make what? One pair. And there is no other more common pair. So write. Therefore write, and 1 in every cases. Therefore write the factors. The factors are what? 3, 5, 1. Okay. 3, 5, 1. Okay. Now write. Now write grouping the factors. Grouping the factors. That means what? If you find more than one factors, common factors, then what? You need to group it. That means what? You just multiply it. What will get? You will get what? 15. 3 5 are what? 3 5 are what? 15. Now write therefore the common factors. Now the common factor, that means what? This 15 will be added here. Therefore the common factors are 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 15. Okay. So write among these 15 is the what? So here you write, here it is given. Among these 15 is the high, 15 is the what? Greatest. You write greatest. 15 is the what? Greatest number. Therefore HCF equals to what? HCF equals to what? 15. 15 is the what? Greatest number. Therefore what? HCF equals to what? 15. Okay. So like this everyone. Okay, let me solve more questions. Come to C. 72 and 126. 72 and 126. What? 72 and what? 126. See, 72 and 126. So you see 72 with 2 it is possible, okay, because it is even. So 2 3s are 6, remain what? 1. So 2 6s are 12. Okay, again with 2 18s are, again with 2 9s are, again with 3 3s are, again with 3 1s are. Okay, now what? 126. Okay, so with 2, yes, 2 6s are what? 12, remain what? 6. So 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are what? 6. Okay, now what? This one with 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are. Okay, now this one with again with 3 7s are 21, and 7 with again 7. Okay, you got what? 707. Understood? Now what? Now write, therefore 72 equals to what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into what? 1. Okay, now what? 126 equals to what? 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 1. Now group the common factors. This one pair, and these 3 and these 3 one pair. Okay, and is there any more? Yes, these 3 and these 3 what? One pair. Okay, and 1 in every cases. Okay, so is there any more? No. Now write the factors are, the factors are what? 2 we got, 1 2, then 3, then what? Again 3, then what? 1. Okay, now what? Now you group the factors. Grouping the what? Grouping the factors. What we shall get? You just multiply it. That means what? 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. What will get? 2 3s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are what? 18. So 18 another we got. Okay, now what? Now write, therefore the common factors, the common factors are, the common factors are what? 2 3 3 and 18. By grouping another factor we got what? 18. So write 1, 2, 3, 3, 18. Okay, 18. So among these, 18 is what? The greatest one. So 18 is the HCF. So right, among these, 18 is the greatest number. So HCF equals to what? 18. HCF equals to what? 18. Okay. Now which one I need to solve? Okay, come to 7 now. 7b you see. 7b, what is there? 120 and what? 168. So let us check. Okay, 120 and what? 168. 120, 168. Seven B. 120, 168. 120, 168. So what? First you find 120. 120. Okay. 168. Okay. So see, 120 with 2 you can divide because it is a what? Even number. So 2 6 are 12. 0. 2 30s are 2 15 jar, 3 5 jar, 5 1 jar. Okay. Now what? With 2 8 jar and 2 4 jar, and 2 4 jar, 2 2 jar, then 2 2 jar, 2 1 jar, then 3 7 jar, then 7 1 jar. Okay. Now write. Therefore 120 equals to what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into what? 1. And 168 equals to what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 1. Okay. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay. Now make pair, make common pair. These two, these two, these two. Okay. Then 3, yes, these 3 also you can make pair. And 5 and 7 are not common pair. Okay. 5 and 7, that doesn't have any common pair. So what? These things. So write and 1 in every case. Okay. So right, therefore the factors are what? 2, 2, 2, 3, 1. Now group these factors. Grouping the factors. Grouping the factors, what will get? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into what? 1. What we shall get? We check. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, and 24 1s are 24. We'll get it. Get what? 24. So write here one line. Therefore, then you write. Okay, right. Among these, what? 24 is the greatest. So you just replace what? 24. Here you write what? 24. Okay. Now come to question number C. Okay. 240 and 380. 300. 240 and 300. 240 and what? 300. C7C. 240 and 300. 240 and what? 300. So what? 240. Okay, like this you do. 2 1 jar 2, 2 2 jar 4 and 0. With 2 again 2 6 jar 0. With 2 again 2 3 jar 0. With 2 again 2 15 jar. With 3 5 jar 5 1 jar. Okay, now 300. With 2 2 1 jar 2, remain what? 1. 2 5 jar 10. Okay, that means 15 2 jar 30, remain 1 0. Now what? With 2 again, 2 7 jar what? 14, remain what? 1. So 2 5 jar 10. Again what? This one with 3, 3 2 jar 6, remain 1, 15, 3 5 jar 15. Again this one with 5, 5 5 jar, again with 5 1 jar. Okay, now you write. And therefore 240 goes to what? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, then 3 5 1, 3 5 1. Then what? 300, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 1. So what? Here 1 is common already. Now these two, then these 3. Okay, then these 5. Okay, and there is no more common. Okay, so now you write, therefore the factors are 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 1. Now write grouping the factors. Grouping the factors, what we got? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into what? 1. Now what comes? You see, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are so what? 12 5s are 60, and 61s are what? 60. Okay, 61s are what? 60. Right, among these what? 60 is greater. Right, among these 60 is the greatest number, so 60 is the what? HCF. Okay, these all are same up to 8. Okay, so now you see question number 8. Okay, so question number 8 you see. Question number 8, what is there? 36, 48 and 84. Now from these 3 we need to find 36, 48 and 84. 36, 48 and what? 80. 36, 48 and what? 84. So 36 what? With 2. Okay, 48 here you write. Okay, and 84 here you write. Okay, so 36 what? 18 jar, 2 9 jar, and 3 3 jar, 3 1 jar. Okay, 48, 2 2 jar 4, 4 2 jar 8, 2 12 jar, 2 6 jar, 2 3 jar, 3 1 jar. 84, 2 4s are 8, 4 and 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 7 jar, 7 1 jar. Okay, now what? Now you write, therefore 36 equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. Okay, and 48 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now write what? 84. 2 into 2, 3 into 7 into 1. 2 into 2, 3 into 7 into what? 1. So in every cases what? 1 is there. So this one we have got. Now from these 3 we need to check. Earlier what? We have checked with 2 numbers. Now from these 3 we need to what? Check. So this 2, you see in every cases 2 is present. Here you see 2, but there is no 2. 3, 3, 3. So we can take these 3. These 3. Okay. Now is there any more? No. Now you write. Therefore the factors are. Therefore the factors are what? 2, 2, 3, 1. 2, 2, 3, 1. Okay. Now grouping the factors. Now you group the factors. What will get? 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 equals to what? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are what? 12. 12 1s are what? 12. So what? 12. Okay. So write therefore the common factors are 2, 2, 3, 1, 12. So among these what? 12 is the what? Greatest one. So what? You write here 12. You write here what? 12. Okay. Now write. Now which question? Okay, come to C. 54, 72, 90. 54, 72, 90. Here the last line is the common factors are 2, 2, 3, 1, 12. Okay. So write what? Number 8C. 8C what is there? 54, 72, 90. 54, okay, 72 and 90. So 54, start with 54, 72, 90. 72 what? 90. So this system, the process with which we are finding, that is what? By prime factorization. Okay. So what? 54 with 2, 2 2s are 4, remain what? 2 7s are 14. With 3, 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 3 1s are 72 with 2, 2 6s are, sorry, 2 3s are, 2 3s are 6, then remain what? 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 8, 16. 2 8s are 16. Now what? 2 9s are, now what? 2 with 3 3s are, 3 1s are. Okay. 2 3s are 6 and 1 remain 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2 remain 1 16. 2 8s are 16. Then what? Then 2 9s are 18. Then 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Okay. Now 90 with 2. 2 4s are 8 remain what? 10. 2 5s are 10. With 3. 3 1s are 3 remain what? 1. So 3 5s are 15. With 3. 3 5s are 15. With 3 or with 5. 5 1s are 5. Okay. Now write. Therefore 54 equals to what? 2 into 2 into Okay, so 2 into 3 into 3, 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 1. Okay, now 72, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into what? 1. Okay, now with 90, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into what? 1. Now we check, 1 is there. Okay, here 2 is there. Okay, then here 3, here 3, here also 3. Okay, so these 3. Okay, then is there any more 3? Here 3, here no 3, here 3, so I cannot take this one, so only these things. Okay, another 3 is there, I think. So here what? 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, and here what? So in 72, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into, yes, another 3 I missed here. You check again, 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 1. Okay, then what? 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 again into 3 into what? 1. Okay, then 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 3 into 5, 3 into 5 into 1. So here from there what? You can take what? 1. And here again you see, here also these 3 available, this one also available, this one also available. Okay, so we can take these 3. Okay, and we can take these 3, and with that also we can match. Okay, these 3 you can take and these 3 we can take. So the factors are what? The factors are 2 into 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1. Okay, now grouping the factors, what will get? Grouping the factors, what will get? 2, 3, 3, sorry, 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. It is what? 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are what? 18. Okay, therefore the common factors are 2, 3, 3, 1, what? 18. So among these, which one is greater? 18 is greater. So what? 18 is this here. Okay, now come to question number G. All are same. Okay, you see question number G, 210, 240, 360. It's a big number. Let me do this one. 210, 240, 360. Now what? 8G. 8G. 8G what? 210, 240, 360. 210, 240, 360. Okay, 360. Right. 210, then 240, 360. Okay. So what? 210 with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay. So 1 0, because we cannot divide 1, so we give what? 0. 105 into 2, you can check. 5 2s are 10, 2 0s are 0, 1, 2 1s are 2. Okay. So Why I put 0? Because I cannot divide 1. So what? Now what? 105. Again what? With 3 I can divide. 3 3s are what? 9. Remain what? 5. 3 5s are 15. Again with this one what? With 5. 5 7s are. Okay. Again this one with 7 1s are. Now come to 240. With 2. 2 12s are 24. 1 0. Okay. With 2 6s are 12, then 1 0. With 2 30s are 60, 1 0. With 2 15s are. With 3 5s are. With 5 1s are. Okay. Now what? 360. With 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 0. With 2 9s are 1 0. With 2 4s are 8, remain what? 1. So 2 5s are 10. With 3 1s are 3, remain 1. 3 5s are 15. Again with 3 5s are 15. Again with 5 1s are. Okay. Now let us write. Therefore 210 equals to what? 210 equals to 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into what? 1. Now what? With 240. What? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 1. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 to 1 2 3 4. 3 into 5 3 into 5 into 1. Okay. Now come to 360. Okay. So what? 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Okay. Then 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into what? 5 into 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So these are the factors. Now what? Now we take the common. These two you can take. Okay. Then is there any more 2? No. These 3 and these 3 I can take. Okay. Then is there any more 3? No. Okay. Then these 5 and these 5. So these 5 I can take. So what came? 2 3 5. So right. Therefore the factors are 2 3 5 1. Okay. Now write grouping the factors. Grouping the factors. What? 2 into 3 into 5 into 1. What will get? 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. What? 30. Now write. Therefore the common factors are what? Earlier what? Earlier 2 3 5 1. Now this 30 will be added. 2 3, write like this from serial you write. 1 2 3 5 30. So you see, among this who is greatest? 30 is the greatest. So what? 30 is the what? HCF. What? 30 is the what? HCF. That is the HCF. Okay. So rest 2 or 3 questions from all you practice. Okay. And now come to exercise 6B. Okay. Come to exercise 6B. So in exercise 6B what sum are there? We need to find the solution. So see the question. Find the greatest number that will divide 54 and 81 without leaving a what? Number. That will what? Divide 54 and 81 without leaving what? A remainder. That means what? You have to find the greatest number which will divide 54 and 81 without leaving any remainder. That means what? The remainder should be what? 0. Then, and you have to find what? This 54 and 81, you have to find such a number, and the number should be the greatest one. Okay? That will divide 54 and 81, and the remainder should remain what? 0. So, that means what? Greatest number means what? HCF, as I discussed earlier at the first portion of the class. Okay, what? Greatest number means what? HCF. That means what? If we find the HCF of 54 and 81, then this number will be the what? Required greatest number. Okay, so see exercise 6b. So what? Exercise 6b. Exercise 6b. So what? Find the greatest number that will divide 54 and 81 without leaving a remainder. So write the greatest number that will divide yes, the greatest number that will divide 54 and 81. The greatest number that will divide 54 and 81 is their HCF. Is there what? Is there what? HCF. Therefore, find HCF f of 54 and what? 81. So now you find what? HCF of what? 54 and what? 81. So write 54 as like earlier and 81. Okay. So 54 with 2 2s are 4, remain 2 7s are 14. Then with 3 9s are, then with 3 3s are, 3 1s are. Okay. Here what? With 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are what? 9. So 6 remain in hand 2. So if we take here, then it will become what? 21. So 3 7s are 21. Oh, sorry, 3 9s are. Wait. 54. 2 2s are 4 and remain what? 7. Then what? 3 2s are 6. Okay. Yes, 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. Yes. 3 7s are what? 21. Now what? 3 9s are. Now what? 3 3s are. 3 1s are. Okay. Now you group. Therefore 54 equals to what? 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 1. And here what? 81 equals to what? 2 into 3 into 3, sorry, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 1. 1 is common. Okay. Here what? This 3 is common. This 3 is common. This 3 is common. Okay. Okay. Now what? Now write the factors are the The factors are what? 3, 3, 1. Okay. Now write grouping the factors. Grouping the what? Factors? 3 into 3 into 1. How many threes? 3 threes. Sorry, 3 threes. So what we will get? 3 threes are what? 3 threes are what? 9. 9 threes are 27. Okay. So write. Therefore, the common factors are what? 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, 27. So among these, which one is greatest? 27 is the greatest. So write. Therefore, HC, right, among these 27 is the greatest number. Therefore, HCF equals to what? 27. Okay. Now write. Therefore, now write the required number for the required number equals to what? 27. The required number is what? 27. Now come to question number B. Find the greatest number that will divide 33, 44 and 66 exactly. So what? Exact like question number A, 1A. So you solve. So you see what? 1B. 1B, what is there? Find the greatest number that will divide 33, 44 and 66 exactly. So write as like earlier, write the greatest number that will divide, the greatest number that will divide what? That will divide 33, 44 and 66. 33, 44, 66 is their HCF. Is there what? HCF. So now let us find HCF. Therefore, HCF of 33, 44, 66. So first you find 33, then 44, then what? 66. So obviously they will go with what? 11. 11 3s are, 11 4s are, then 11 6s are. Okay. Now write. Therefore 33 equals to 11 into 3. 44 equals to what? 11 into 4. 66 equals to 11 into 6. So among these we can group this only 11. So what? 11 is the what? HCF. So write. Therefore the HCF of 33, 66, 44, 66 is what? Equals to what? 11. Okay. So what? Find the greatest number. Now write. Therefore the required number equals to what? 11. Okay. Now come to question number 2. Find the greatest number that divides 33, 45, leaving 3 as remainder in each case. That means what? You have to find such a greatest number that will what? Divide 33 and 45. And after dividing, they should leave what? 3 as remainder in both cases. That means what? Whenever you will be dividing 33, that will leave what? 3 as a remainder. Again, whenever you will divide what? 45, that also will keep what? 3 as a remainder. And you have to find that what? Number, the greatest number. So what? Write. So see 2a. 2a, what is there? So write. First what? First you need to what? So write. So whenever we need to, whenever find the greatest number that divides 33, 45 and 33, 45, leaving 3 as remainder in each case. So write. So as they should what? They should leave. They should what? Leave 3 as what? Remainder. So what? We need to subtract from there. So write. As they will leave 3 as remainder in each case, therefore the numbers become what? The numbers become what? 33. So 33 minus 3. Whenever they should leave remainder, at that time this remainder should be subtracted. So 33 minus 3 is what? 30, number 1. And another one is what? 45. So 45 minus 3. Okay. In each case they should what? Leave 3. So 45 minus 3 is what? 42. Okay. Now what? Now what? We need to find the greatest number that will divide. So what? Now what? Now find the HCF. Now HCF of 30 and 42 is, okay, first to find 30, then what? 42. So 30 with 2 15 jar, 3 5 jar, 5 1 jar. Okay. Then what? 2 15 jar, 3 5 jar, 5 1 jar. Now 42. With 2 if you start, then 2 2 jar, then 2 1 jar. Again what? With 3 3 7 jar. Again with what? 7 1 jar. Okay. Now write. Now write. Therefore 30 equals to what? 2 into 3 into 5 into what? 1. And 42 equals to what? 2 into 3 into 7 into what? 1. So 2 we are getting common, then 3 we are getting common, then 1 we are getting common. Okay. So write. Therefore the factors are what? 2, 3, 1. Now you group the factors. Now what? Now you group the factors. Now write grouping the factors. That means what? 2 into 3 into 1. It will give what? 6. Okay. Now write the common factors are. Common factors are what? Earlier what? 2 3 1. Now newly added what? 6. So 1 2 3 6. Right. Now among these among these 6 is the greatest number. Therefore, HCF equals to what? 6. Now what? Therefore, the required number. Therefore, the required number equals to what? 6. Okay. Now question number 2a, it is 2b. It is exact like same. Find the greatest number that divides 51 and 79 with 9 as remainder in both cases. So it is same. Just I have done what? With 3 as remainder in each case. Now in place of 3 you write what? 9 and do the same process exactly. It will match. Okay. It is exactly matching with what? A. Only just in place of 3 you write 9. You subtract 9 from what? 51 and 79. Then you what? Do the same process. Find the HCF and this HCF will be the required number. Understood? Now come to question number 3. So 3 is same. Okay, find the biggest number that divides 47, 77, 89, leaving the remainder 5 in what? Each case. So what now? In place of what? 3 cases we need to find. So let me do this one. So B you practice. So what? So as like earlier you write since, or write as the numbers leaves what? As the numbers leaves 5 as remainder in each case. Therefore, the numbers become what? Therefore, the numbers become what? First one is what? First you write given the numbers, sir. One thing you write here, given the numbers are what? 47, then 77, then what? 89. Okay, 89. So to do this one, so the numbers become what? 47 minus 5, because they leave what? Remainder. So what comes? 7 minus 5, it is 2. What? 42. Okay. Now what? 77 minus 5. What? 7 minus 5, it is what? 2. 72. Okay. Now what? 89 minus 5. So 9 minus 5, it is 4. So it is what? 84. Okay. 84. Now write the HCF. Therefore, HCF of 42, 72, 84. 42, 72, 84. 42, 72, 84. Okay. So 42, 72, 84. Okay. With 2 2s are 2 1s are. With 3 7s are 7 1s are. 2 36 are. 2 18s are. 2 9s are. 2 3 3s are. 3 1s are. Okay. Now what? 84. 84 what? 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 3 7s are 7 1s are. Okay. Now what? Now write 42 equals to what? 2 into 3 into 7 into 1, and 72 equals to what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. Okay. And 84 equals to what? 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into what? 1. Now group these two, and these three and these three. Okay. Then 7, only 2 7s are there, and this one. Okay. Okay. So what you got? What? Therefore the factors are 2 3 3 1. Okay. Now grouping the factors. Grouping the factors. What? 2 into 3 into 1. We get what? 2 3 are 6. Okay. Now write. Therefore the common factors are what? 1 2 3 6. Right. Among these 6 is the greatest number. Therefore HCF equals to what? 6. Therefore the required number equals to what? 6. Okay. Now come to question number 4a. Okay. 4a is what? Find the greatest number that divides what? 27, 41 and 50, leaving 3, 5 and 2 respectively as remainder. So what? Now they leave different remainders. Okay. So see, it is same, just you what? Just you subtract the different remainders from the number. So right. As 27 leaves, write 4a. Right. As 27 leaves what? 3 as remainder. Therefore the number becomes 27 minus 3, which is what? 24. Okay. So what? 24. Now what? Now and 41 leaves 5 as remainder. Therefore the number become what? 41 minus 3. Okay. To become what? So it is 5. It is what? 36. Okay, 11 minus 5 it is 6, and 4 minus, and here remain 3. Okay, again 50 leaves what 2 as a so what again 50 leaves 2 as remainder, therefore the number become what 50 minus 2 is what 48. Okay, so the numbers what came 24, 36, 48. Now we need to find the HCF of this. Okay, now find the what HCF of this 3. So you see now write, therefore now write, now HCF of 24, 36, 48 are what 24, 36 and 48. So 24 with 2 with 6 with 3 1. 12 to the 24, 6 to the 12, 3 to the 6, 3 1 the 3 with 2 18 jar. Okay, 2 9 jar, 3 3 jar, 3 1 jar. 48 with 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 2 1 jar 2, 2 to the 4, 2 6 jar, 2 3 jar, 3 1 jar. Okay, now write 24 equals to what 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. Then what 36 equals to what 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1, and 48 equals to what 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. Okay, now what group 1 group 2 group. Okay, now these 3 and these 3 and 1, there is no other more common, right? Therefore write the factors are the factors are what 2, 2, 3, 1. Now write grouping the factors 2 into 2 into 3 into 1, it is what 4 4 3 are 12, what 12. Okay, now write the common factors are what 1, 2, 2, 3, 12. Right, among these 12 is the greatest one. Right, among these 12 is the greatest one, greatest number. Therefore HCF equals to what 12. Therefore the required number equals to what 12. Now last two question. You see, what is the greatest length of a tape whose whole length can be used a number of times to measure the length of 56 centimeter and 140 centimeter exactly. That means what? You have to find such a number who can measure 56 and 140. Okay, you have to find the greatest number which can what? By which we can find how many times 56 and 140 are there. Okay, that means what? You have to find the what? Greatest number. So actually what it is, the what? HCF, nothing but what? You have to find the what? HCF. Right. So question number 5. Okay, so write the greatest length of the tape will be the HCF of the two measurement, will be the HCF of the given numbers. HCF of what? 56 and what? 140. Okay, so write 56 140. Okay, so 56 will be with 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 2 7s are 7 1s are. Okay, and with 2 7s are 2 6s are 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10, and then 5 7s are and 7 1s are. Okay, right. Therefore 56 equals to what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 1. Okay, and 140 equals to what? 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into what? 1. So group these two, okay, then this 7, okay, this 1. Right. Therefore the factors are what? 1, 2, 2, 7. Okay, now write grouping the factors. Okay, now write grouping the factors. Grouping the factors. 1 into 2 into 2 into 7. Now what will get? 1 2 1 are 2, 7 2 are 14, 14 2 are 28. What? 28. Therefore the common factors. The common factors are, therefore the common factors are what? 1, 2, 2, 7, 28. Last we got what? 28. Right. Among these, 28 is the greatest number. Therefore HCF equals to what? 28. Okay, now what is the greatest length of the tape? Right. Therefore the required length of the tape equals to what? The required length of the tape equals to what? 28 unit what given? Centimeter. Now last question. What can be the greatest weight that can be used a number of times to weight 54 kg and 72 kg of rice? So it is same, exact like same. You have to find that one. So you can do yourself. Okay. Okay. Let me do the last one. What can be the greatest weight that can be used a number of times to weight 54 kg and 72 kg of rice? Right. Right, what? Question number 6. What is there? What can be the greatest weight? Okay, so right. Right, the greatest weight, the greatest weight that can be used, that can be used a number of times, that can be used a numbers of time to weight 54 kg, to weight what? Weight 54 kg and 72 kg is their HCF. Okay, so right, therefore HCF of 54 and 72. So 54, okay, 72. So with 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are, with 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are, 72 6 6 2s are 12, 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. Now write the factors are are what? Sorry, not the factors. Therefore write 54 equals to 2 3 3 3, 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 1, then 72 equals to what? 2 2 2 3 3, 2 2 2 3 into 3 into 1. Okay, so group 1, then this one and this one, okay, then these 3 and these 3, okay, then this one, okay. So what? Right, therefore the factors are 2, 3, 3, 1, okay. 3, 1. Now write grouping. Grouping the factors. We get what? 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. It is what? 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 18. Okay, 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are what? 18. Right. Among these, write the common factors. The common factors are, now what? earlier what 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3. Now what newly what we got 18 after grouping the factors. Now write among these factors, among these 18 is the greatest number. Therefore HCF equals to what 18. Now what, therefore the required weight equals to what 18 and the unit is what kg. So today up to this, and if you find any problems regarding today's class, then you can call me at night. Thank you very much.